What's up guys? So I just got a new car, and it's not just any car. It's a wooden car. This is the Razorpack Special Edition. It has mud guards, special paint on the side. It has a nice engine, registered California license plate, and a very nice exhaust. But you may be wondering, how did this even get created? And I'll tell you guys how. So previously, I made this thing because I was bored, and it recently broke down. So at first, the chain started popping off many times, and it just got worse. The throttle cable actually snapped from the handheld lever. So the handheld lever was actually a throttle, and it was steered by foot too. So you had to steer with the foot, and that wasn't too safe. That's the origin of the cart, and let's get into how I built this cart. Alright, so the current problems with my car is that the motor mounts are horrible. This is the main cause of the chain derailment. Let's fix that right now. So I got the motor mounts on there. The chain doesn't come off, and now we have to focus on the throttle. So I didn't have any cable, and I found this charging cable that I didn't need, and it seemed like it worked, so I put that on there. Then I built the throttle, tested out the throttle cable again, and that wasn't a good solution. So I found some zip ties, zipped that thing on, and boom, we got a throttle, a working throttle. And my next concern is the steering. It's way too sketchy. Since this is not typical steering on a car, I thought a little bit. I thought about planes. They have yokes. Helicopters, they have yokes that can move around. So I just put a yoke onto the steering, and it works pretty well. Let's take this thing out and get this thing registered. We are at DMV, and it looks like there's actually someone in there, so let's dip right now. So after that small visit to the DMV, I received my license plate and installed it. I got this Euro style license plate right here, and I'm gonna make California license plates right now. Okay. It's stuck. Oh, it is stuck in there. You see that? And let's go. We have it installed. Okay, guys. So I took this on a small test run, right, just to see if it runs again. And this thing is not supposed to be like that. I did find the problem. It's pretty bad. So look at this. This whole plate right here, it just broke apart. So I'm gonna weld these things together right now. And look at these beautiful welds. So next, we're gonna have to worry about the exhaust, because it's just like not row, row, row. So I'm gonna change that up right now. This thing's gonna sound much better. Alright, so that does sound a little bit better, but now it's missing one more thing. It is missing side panels. So every car has side panels. This thing is just bare bones. It's kind of ugly. So I'm going to take this side panel sitting outside of my house, and I'm going to install it onto the car and give it a beautiful paint job. There you go. Beautiful. Alright, y'all, so this is the Razorback. This thing is really nice. It has nice Nice side paneling right here. It has nice mud guard right here, so no mud gets into it like right here. It has perfect steering. Oh no, hold on. Now it has velvet seating. Has a nice exhaust right here. It's pretty hot. And oh my gosh, look at this. It says Razor right here. This is like the nicest paint job I've ever seen. Let's start this thing up. Let's push this thing back. See, it just rolls back just like that. We can just hop onto here. Woo. Oh yeah. I think that guy revved for me. Oh shit! The Jeep popped up again. Ooh, park here, park here. Alright, let's fix this thing quick. We got a penny that fell. Boom. Oh no, yeah. Boom. Get this thing out. Alright, put this in here. Boom. I hope we don't have a chain that came off. Boom. Alright, let's hop back on. Check our mirrors, check our mirrors. Let's go. Alright, so I can't throttle this thing too crazy because the change is just gonna come off and it just can't handle that much torque, so I gotta go a little bit easy on the throttle. I'm just having fun driving this. I don't gonna have that much commentary. It's just so fun to drive. Hear that? Oh yeah. Man, that was one of the more fun builds. But all of that was very tiring. So I just woke myself up with riding.
No man said that was tight.
We just egoed that dude. I didn't even know what to say to that. Oh man said that was tight. Gonna try that?
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
Alright, there's no rear brake though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna wheelie it.
Hey, I'm so
Wow.
you gotta and it's the front brake's so ass. The front brake's so ass. Front brake.
Wow.
Hey, it's him, it's him.
Wow.
It wasn't me. No, you don't want to.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1 is fast or 3 is fast?
5 is the fastest.
Fast? I mean 5.
5 is sport. See, look. 5, 2.
Oh, shit. So it's, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we're in an RTR right now. Kind of feels like the Razor a little bit. Alright. The torque. It's not like there. Look at this. I'm on the top mode right now. Look. Like there is some torque, but it's like actually it's not bad. Yeah, these look at this. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. These brakes are actually not good.
I barely throttle, my head jerks back.
Yeah, it's powerful.
And I'm like this.
Right? Damn, what the heck? This thing is so tiny. Dude, I bet the torque on this is crazy though. Oh my, this is so smooth. Ooh, dang. Hold on. These 2025 brakes are good. Unless it's because of the smaller wheelbase, because look at this. This is tiny. It feels so nice too.
Turbo, that's my torque.
Turbo, where is it?
It's like right here. It's a T.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay.
It lasts a little bit. It's only for torque.
Yeah, and you just click it again to turn it off?
Nah, it'll turn off on its own.
Okay, alright, let me try this. Damn! Turbo actually, like, there's some power to this. Okay, it went back into sport. Turbo is crazy though. and it already turned off, so I don't get the point of turbo, but it's still pretty nice. In this video, I rebuilt my go-kart, registered it, drove it around, and had some fun. If you guys like to see more content like this, please like and subscribe. Bye.